Hello guys, good afternoon. For today's video guys, there is one cold room here in my boss house. The problem this one is the drainage line was ice making a build up. So the heater for this wire heater was defective. So now I make remove this heater and change this new one. So this cold storage because this. So after I will install the heater, so now is back to normal operation this cold storage. So now everything we will make for wiring, and this also checking the expansion valve and the solenoid valve also inside the control room. So now exactly the unit now is back to operation this time.
The only wiring here. Last bit. No space na guys. No mas problem. The install also the solenoid valve.